Okay, so we're going to start with a little voice check to see how your voices are and see how I can help you. Do you guys know the vocal warm-up, Neoa?
No.
Neoa. Like that. Okay? And we're just going to go up by half steps. Okay?
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Neoa. 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 Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. I just wanted to get you warmed up a little bit, and then I wanted to show you some things you can do to support your breathing a little bit better. So we're going to go over posture a little bit. You want to stand up your feet about shoulder width apart. You want your back to be straight and your chest to be up. Something important to remember when you're singing is that you don't want this ever to collapse, because there goes your sound. Like, it doesn't sound good. And so, and something important about breathing is that you use this muscle down here. Does anybody know what you should use when you sing?
Diaphragm?
Exactly. And do you know where your diaphragm is?
Balls.
Yeah, it's like connected to the bottom of your rib cage. And that's what you want to engage when you sing. Does anybody know how to engage this?
Just breathe.
Yeah, that always helps. So when you breathe, you want it to pretty much fill up from the bottom up. And a way that I like to do this is by doing something I call the milkshake breath, where you just imagine like you're sipping a giant milkshake and it's just like filling from the bottom up. And you don't want this to go down at all. So when you do this breath, you don't want your chest to collapse, and you want your stomach to kind of expand. And you guys want to try it? So this is up, and we're gonna practice some breaths. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is your chest up? Okay. Now we're gonna breathe out. So have your chest up, and we're gonna do a breath where you breathe in and then where you breathe out. Okay. Did you let this fall? That's good. That's really good.
I think so.
So does that feel pretty comfortable? Are you having
Yeah.
trouble keeping this up at all? That's good. So it should be just like your stomach kind of moves like that. Okay. Now we can try adding more up with it. Let's see. We'll just do ahs. We'll do. Okay. I'll show you first how it goes. Ah. See how this didn't go down at all? Okay, now you two try it. Ah. And now I want you to do it again, but not be shy about it at all. Just let it out.
Okay.
Ah. Do you feel like this is moving at all? Do you feel like this is moving at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? How is it moving?
It goes in as
It goes in as you go up.
Yeah.
That's really good. Perfect. And let's see. Do either of you two have a question about breathing today?
When you prepare like the breath before you sing, like should your larynx like drop?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
something else we could talk about. Yeah. Do you know what the larynx is? So the larynx is what's down here, and sometimes it gets in the way. And do you know what the soft palate is? How it's up here? They're like two things that are basically just right here. And you want to like open them up like this. And something what one of my professors taught me is called the impulsive K, where you just like breathe in making a k kind of sound, and it just like opens it all up like that. So you might want to try that. And then you can just like engage right away. Ah, like that. I'll try it.
Sure.
I'll count you off. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Do I sing?
Yeah. Try this.
How do you do that? You just like. How do you do that sound? I don't know.
It's like.
Like
It's
that?
like a K.
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, that's easy.
Mhm. That's how you do it.
Okay.
So let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mhm. Do you do that? Do you feel like that made a difference at all?
Yeah.
And like you can take you're taking your breath at the same time. So you want this to kind of go out and your chest to stay up. You know, don't let this fall. Does that help at all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that helped a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. And should we practice it a few more times? Okay. So I want to hear impulse of K and then the scale down afterwards. So go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I think you can make it more like I don't really hear the K that much. Like yeah.
So should we like do it and then sing?
Mhm. So you're gonna do it and then sing right away.
Okay.
And at the end too.
No, you don't have
Oh.
to do it. I'm just demonstrating again. Just
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mhm.
Oh, that was so much easier.
You feel like that was better?
Yeah.
How does it feel different?
It just feels more open.
Yeah. Well, because it is more open, because
Yeah.
you're making it open. Yeah, that's awesome. And yeah, I think that's what I wanted to teach you today.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
I hope it was
Maybe-
helpful.
That was helpful. Yeah.
We'll use those in choir on Tuesday.
Every day. Monday. Wednesday, Friday.
Yeah. Okay. I have my
Sweet.
days switched.